Okay, to graph this particular problem, and we're going to have to actually graph several lines, we want to start with a point, because in order to graph a line, we need two pieces of data, such as a point, which in this case, the origin is given, and then a specific slope. So I'm going to just grab the graphing tool down here at the bottom in MyMathLab. I'm going to start by plotting one point at the origin, and then if the slope is -1, that means I'm going to go down 1 and over 1. Remember that it's rise over run, -1, and I can think over 1. And that gives me my first point. And then I want to go ahead and grab the graphing tool again, and I'm going to graph a second point. So now I want to again start at the origin. So I'm jumping now to the second slope, -1/4. I'm going to start at the origin, and then I'm going to go down 1 this time and over 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot a second point. Now I'm going to go to the third slope, and this one has a slope of 0. So remember that a slope of 0 is actually a horizontal line. So if we want to go through the origin and graph a horizontal line, it's actually going to be right on the x-axis. Another way to think of this slope, you can also put the number 1 under this slope. This is 0 divided by 1, just like -1 was -1 over 1. So that can also help when you're thinking about how to graph a slope of 0. So again, grab the graphing tool, start at 0, 0, the origin, and then I'm going to go over, well, I'm going to rise 0. So I'm not going to go up at all. Sorry. And then I'm going to go over 1. There we go. And there's a slope of 0. And then I move on to the next one, grab the graphing tool, start at 0, 0. And then this time we have a slope of +1 over 2 and plot that. And then the last one, grab that line again, start at 0, the line tool again, start at 0, 0, and go up 3. And again, it's a whole number, so up 3, and then visualize being over 1 for a rise over run. And there's your last line. All right, I hope that helps.